So that was a workout that I stole from my friend Eric's running log. That was his last workout before he wrecked his last indoor conference meet and placed second in the 5K, mile, and 3K. So I figured I might give it a try. Honestly, I felt like garbage on the entire warm-up, but I just couldn't slow down. I couldn't hit pace at all on the 400s or the 300s. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we'll find out soon, I suppose. So that was it. That was the final tune-up. All I have left to do now is race.